I feel like a YouTuber. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chimmy, like a lot of you guys already know. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome to the fam, and if not, thanks for sticking with me. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing something pretty exciting. It's something that I've been working so hard towards. It's something that I really wanted to take my time to get, and I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. I'm so happy, especially because this is going to make my life a lot easier. So before I get into the unboxing part, I also wanted to say that one of the things that really motivated me to get this item was when I got a brand deal / endorsement, and I was just like, okay, you know, maybe this could possibly go somewhere. So I should probably, you know, try to make, you know, my content a lot better, a lot clearer, and be as consistent as possible. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing my first camera, and this is not even my main camera, this is my vlogging camera. It came in this box and I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to be unboxing it here. Okay, so this is the camera. I got the Sony Zv1. Yeah, I had so many other cameras in mind, but I finally decided to get the Sony Zv1. I did a lot of research on this camera, and from what I've seen so far, like, the camera quality is top notch, even though, you know, we'll see because I'm going to be testing it shortly. But yes guys, this is the camera that I got. In a bit I'll probably switch out this camera and then you guys will see what the quality is like. It also came with this like nice like bag for the camera, even though I probably won't be carrying this bag around because I don't know, it's just not my style. I'll probably just put my camera in like a regular like crossbody or tote bag or something. But yeah, I got like a vlogging kit basically, so it wasn't just the camera, it came with like a couple of other things. It came with this deluxe starter kit, so it has like a card reader, like a memory card case, a lens cap keeper, a cleaning kit, a 2-piece microfiber cloth, and a screen protector basically. So this also came in the kit, or this also comes with the kit rather, and also this travel charger for like charging the batteries. So let's unbox the camera. Okay, so let's see. So it comes with like 2 manuals, I guess one in like Spanish and then one in English. And then this is the camera. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. This is so pretty. So guys, I got this camera from Amazon for $769, and you know, like I said earlier, it came with the starter kit, it came with the battery chargers, it came with the bag and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to be attaching the link in the description box. So if you want to get a camera, you can definitely, you know, get it from Amazon. Guys, it also came with this for the microphone. I don't remember what it's called. I want to believe it's called a dead cat. I know it's weird, but it came with that as well. And then I also really like that this camera you can connect like a microphone to it. I thought that was really cool. And then from my research as well, I saw that, you know, the camera focuses very well. I already watched videos on how to set this camera up, so hopefully this should be easy for me. And then there's also like an SD card, a Lexar SD card, like a 64 gigabytes memory card. So let's see, let's try and set this camera up. I want to believe it should be this way. go. Okay guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Let me show you how quick it is to focus. Like, because I did a lot of research, guys. Hold on. So this is my bottle of water, right? Look at this, look at this. Look at this. It's so quick to focus. That was one of the things that attracted me to this camera. And then I also got something else from Amazon. I got a shooting grip with a wireless remote, just because, you know, when you're filming, you definitely want to have some type of tripod or something for vlogging, just so it's easy for you to like film. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. So everything in total, like the camera, the shooting grip, the camera, and obviously the kit that came with the camera, everything came up to like $912 with tax, because, you know, we live in the United States and everything is basically taxed for. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm currently filming with the Sony Zv1, and this is what it looks like. I can't believe like my videos are this clear. That is, oh my god, like you guys don't know the struggle. Like when I tell you, sometimes it's very chaotic filming with my phone. Like sometimes like, my memory is like so full, and then I'm having to like delete all my like nice pictures or videos, or just, you know, having to transfer it to my hard drive. And sometimes my hard drive is not like handy. Like just imagine like in the middle of a travel vlog, and then like there's no space, and your hard drive is maybe in the hotel, or your laptop is not even with you, and then it just gets very chaotic. So I'm so glad that I got this, you know, little gifts, you know, from me to me for my birthday, because my birthday is on the 17th of March. So this was, you know, my little birthday present to myself. But yeah, that's just by the way. This is what the quality looks like. I'll give you guys an update as we go along, as I film along. But I'm so glad, at least, you know, now this is like, there's no excuse like this. Like I have everything to, you know, make the sky my limits, and to just, you know, take content creation more seriously. I mean, I take it seriously, but, you know, we need to be, you know, more serious. But hopefully, you know, I'll be giving you guys more content. I'll be more consistent. But yeah, so like I said, I'll give you guys more updates as we go along. I feel like a YouTuber. But yes guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, I need to get used to like looking at the lens and not the screen. Like that's what I'm getting used to. Like I need to adjust to that because I'm constantly looking at myself. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.